Hey everyone, welcome to the WIRA daily market update. So, we are halfway through the week and ready to roll into earnings season as the Fed released its statement today. And the statement was good again. And as far as anyone's saying, there's no more rate hikes this year. They said there's a door for it, a window for it, in case the economy grows at some kind of big burst or something. But for the most part, all the chairmen, everybody on the board has decided that we are done with rate hikes for the year, which would be nice, right? Let this economy do what it's doing. Let trade deals get done, things like that. We have a big presidential election cycle coming up. This is actually better news probably than people realize. Let's go over and check our charts. It was pretty much a flat day for the markets. The Dow spent most of the day in the red. It ended up 7 points. The S&P spent almost all day in the green. It ended up 10 points, and the Nasdaq up 54 points, coming right back at that all-time high. Um, the VIX continues to trickle down another 5-6% today. And the small caps are participating. The Russell, which is always important. Get those little guys working. Let's go take a look at the stocks. You guys, we talked about it last week. We entered a monster trade, and you can see monster breaking out. Beautiful. We're real happy with this trade. We're up about 20% on it already, and you can see we were watching it since that last earnings report, and we're looking for a bottom. We think we saw it. We jumped in, and we are breaking out now. Our steel play got a little love today. A little red bar up a penny, but after what happened with the X downgrade yesterday, it's holding these levels really well. We just moved up this top bar from down here. Maybe a little prematurely. We thought it was starting to break out after this little run. But that X downgrade, it kind of, it hurt this stock, but we think it was really unwarranted. So we're going to let that play out. Plus, we're at some $3 calls the end of summer, right outside the money, just pennies outside the money with plenty of time to go. Retail coming to life. The timing couldn't be better. These ones too, we're out way past summer on the on some $50 calls on this. We think it's ready to break out. We jumped in this after that bad retail report, and we got a little early because we weren't sure, if it was going to have a quick V recovery or not. It did V recover, but it's a little elongated here, so we've been in the play a little bit long. We're okay with that though. Plenty of time on the contracts, just outside the money, and it's really starting to percolate. Our other play, oil, what can you say? Oil is just breaking out. I think we're up about 15% on this trade too right now. Another one, we're out end of summer, right outside the money at $20 on some calls, and this is ready to blow up. Spot oil is back up in the 64s after pausing yesterday. Let's see what the rest of the week brings on that. But we're bullish on it. On the market, we're still bullish. We've been saying it. We've been bullish since December 26th when this big green bar came in, right? And, we rode that fast track up. The market slowed down a little bit. We positioned in the stocks we just talked about. Those are all starting to look great. And then we jumped on one in this fast track here with Monster, which is already blowing up. We think this is just a little pause in the markets, and it was warranted. We just had that big run. We're getting real close to the all-time highs, and there is a little bit of hesitancy about earnings season, which does kick off on Friday. So tomorrow, let's see how the market shakes out tomorrow. We got a good Fed statement. That banking hearing went pretty well. It was on all day on CNBC. If you're a trader, you probably watched some of it. It was pretty good. It looks like a lot of things are calming down. The focus is on trade. The focus is on global growth. And let's see if we're getting some with these earnings reports on Friday. All right, gang. We'll be back tomorrow after the market. Don't forget, if you do need some help, if you want some guidance, click that link right below, WIRA. It's the first in the comments, top of the comments. And don't forget to read the disclaimer. We are not registered investment advisors. Always do your due diligence. Consult a professional. This show is for entertainment purposes only. Please read the disclaimer to know what you're looking at. All right, gang. We'll see you guys tomorrow after the market. It got real lively there in the afternoon after a little paint drying day, and things are really starting to shape up for Friday. So let's get to it.